In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to personalize your copy of Microsoft Office by changing the Office theme. This is a great way to make your workspace more visually appealing according to your preferences or to reduce eye strain, especially if you often work in low light conditions. So whether you're looking to add a touch of personal flair or just make things a bit easier on the eyes, let's dive right in. First, you'll need to open up any Microsoft Office application. It could be Word, Excel, or PowerPoint, whichever you prefer. Once you have your chosen application open, your next move is to locate the File tab in the top left corner of the screen. Give that a click, and it will take you to the Backstage view, which is the place where you can find options to save, print, and open files. From there, proceed by selecting the Options button towards the bottom of the list on the left. Clicking on Options will pop up a separate window where a myriad of settings for your Office application are housed. Now, this might seem a bit overwhelming, but don't worry, we're focusing on a specific section today. Once you have the Options window open, click on the General tab if it's not already selected. This is usually the default tab, so you'll likely already be there. In the General tab, you'll find a section called Personalize Your Copy of Microsoft Office. This is where you'll see the option to change your Office theme. Under the Personalization options, you'll find a drop-down menu next to Office Theme. Click on this drop-down menu to reveal a variety of theme options. If you prefer a darker interface, go ahead and select the black theme. This theme offers a high contrast, sleek look which can be easier on the eyes, especially in dim lighting. Alternatively, if you find yourself trying to strike a balance between light and dark, you might want to consider the dark gray theme. This option offers a more muted contrast than the black theme, but still maintains a professional, toned-down appearance. For those who prefer something brighter, the white theme is also an option. It provides a clean, traditional look that users of older versions of Office will find quite familiar and comforting. Lastly, if you're in the mood for a splash of color, opt for the colorful theme. Here, the interface takes on a lively green hue, adding a bit of energy and diversity to your workspace. After making your selection, simply click OK at the bottom of the Options window to apply the change. You should notice your new theme reflected across the application almost immediately. And that's it. You've now successfully personalized your Microsoft Office application with a theme that suits your taste and needs. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tips and tutorials.